Welcome to the Andamans.
I saw Akka pacing around like a tiger in a cage earlier. It makes me nervous.
Ever since they got back from the raid in New Season, they're not seeing the trouble with being closer to them. These cities say that Sarah doesn't matter.
Oh.
The second you see that tower light up on the radio. Got it? Yes, sir. Understood. Good.
It seems that Crest is waiting for Akka to call a meeting. Getting them both in one place would certainly save some time. Akka must be using the light to signal for Crest when she wants a meeting. It shouldn't be too difficult to exploit that.
Oh, it is my favorite.
What on earth do we have here? I really appreciate it.
Hey.
Don't take me.
Hey, mister.
Looks like a bit of friendly competition between the militia and the locals. I wonder what Crest would think of a newcomer besting his people. Goodbye.
Thinks he's a champion just because he got the better of one noodle-arm lightweight. He wouldn't stand a chance against one of us. Hey, why don't you go show him what real competition looks like, man?
You don't look so tough.
All right. You asked for it.
Oh, come on. That was so cheap. I don't think we can let him get away with that, can we? Go show him how it's really done.
I'll smack that blank look right off your damn face.
All right. I guess I'm gonna have to be the one who puts a shit heel in his place. Yeah, all right, big shot. Let's do this. Holy shit! Ah, what the hell? Did he freeze his hand or something?
Huh?
Son of a bitch, it's like a pickup truck.
Oh, what an embarrassment.
Sir, he just... he doesn't even flinch. And when he hits you... I thought that shit about seeing stars was just in cartoons.
He? He who? Which one?
The bald guy.
I see.
Fluid movement.
Hey, you, come here. you the one who schooled my people?
Nice night.
I guess so.
Well, I want to talk to you about something. In private. Nothing sinister, there's no hard feelings here. I just have an offer for you. Come and hear me out, that's all I ask.
Huh.
Not the prettiest corner of the island, but we should be out of earshot now.
Practical.
I've been planning some operations. Heists, if you want to be Hollywood about it. Certain prominent individuals, government facilities, big targets. But that means big payouts. I'm looking for someone who can take a little punishment. Someone who could be an inside man but won't buckle under intense interrogation if he's caught. I'd do it myself, but my time and expertise would be better spent covering our tracks. And you've shown me that my guys aren't up for the job either. I need someone I can depend on.
I can hold my own.
I know we only just met, but you have this quality to you. I can't really pin it down. It's familiar but alien at the same time, and your face. Don't take this the wrong way, but it feels like if I looked away for a minute, I'd completely forget every feature. You might be my missing piece here. I don't need or want a decision right now. This is a life-changing choice. It could be the start of some big things for you, but there would be no backing out. I don't need any more disappointments. Make sure this is what you really want. I'll be here for a few more days at least, so no rush.
I'll think about it.
That's Crest taken care of.
You there, Command? Yeah, it looks like an accident. Over.
It's very brave of you all to set up camp so close to the road.
Ah, forget it.
The pump room.
Yeah, it was so weird. This guy's...
Hey!
Mr. Smith.
Oh, you're a sight for sore eyes. 47. I'm on real thin ice with Interpol. This assignment was supposed to be a gimme. Tag along undercover on some tankers, monitor the crews for any suspicious contact with pirates, and support local law enforcement investigations with whatever info I found. Should have been a piece of cake.
Do you need some help?
Yeah. I haven't heard any keys on their leader when she comes by. If I had to guess, I'd say she's keeping them somewhere private, like an office. If you can get those keys and open this door, I can get myself off this island.
Got it.
He knows the job. It will show me just how desperate he is.
I've got some weird-ass noises coming from somewhere around here. I better go and see what's up. I'll be in touch.
He might have switched modes when he thinks eternal is dead. Where should he...
Always tell.
No one is trustworthy. Trust is always a risk. But trusting shoot pays for guns. It pays for boats. It pays for bribes and tools and outposts and workers. It pays for everything we need to get ahead so that one little couple of people betraying us won't take the whole operation down. Remember that. Yeah. Who do you think it is? That price you sent me is absurd.
That
I'd
rudder
spit
would
on
be
it if
hard
I
over
could.
the whole time.
Despite
Just
what
be
you
up there
seem to
sweating
think,
bullets.
this is far from my first deal, and I'm not going to settle for pennies when I'm the one who's acting on me. No. That's still... That's nothing. Do you understand? If you're not going to make the deal, then we're both wasting our time. Back on your shoulders and come to me with a fair price.
You should get out of here.
I'm gonna have to add you to my Christmas card list at this rate.
Listen, you see that car battery over there? She hooked up the cage to it and turned the juice on when she wanted to screw with us.
Interesting.
I'm not gonna tell you how to do your job, but I wouldn't lose any sleep if she got a taste of her own medicine.
Consider it done.
Shit, now's my chance. See you around.
The tanker captain. Yes, Andaman.
Fucking unbelievable! How did they even break out to this damn cage? This useless piece of trash.
Oh, shit!
The hostages can't have gone far.
Akka's out of the way. Good work. Now you just have to deal with the satellite control unit.
Okay, out. just want to go again. Rediscover that special.
Well done. With the control unit in pieces, the satellite's no longer our problem. And that's that. The rest will pick up the pieces. It's time to go, 47. I'll see you soon. Crest wasn't planning to sell the control unit back to them at all. He was going to use the damn thing. I suppose I was selling him short. Tracker signal received. Coordinates locked. Incoming.